Alright everyone, I am going to show you how we're going to be working with Kids Blog in order to post our assignments and give and receive feedback to our classmates. So right now I just have up on the screen our week 1 page, which will have the link to our class blog, as well as the other weeks will have this link as well. What you'll need to do is click and wait for the page to load. Because you'll already have your registration code and you're already entered on our Kids blog, all you'll have to do is enter your code. This one happens to be mine, so I'm going to show you what happens when I plug in my code and push join. It's going to take me to the beginning of our Kids blog page. As you can see, I've put a couple example posts which will show you how we're going to go about posting different things. So first off, I want to just show you the layout of the Kids blog. This is our main page, and from here, all you'll ever need to do to post a new post is select New Post up at the top right-hand corner. When I click it, it gives me the option of titling it and entering my post. I'm going to choose to title my post Example, and then I can type any words I would like in the bottom text box. This is where you're going to post your completed assignments each week. For example, if I finish week's 1 assignment, which is a Venn diagram, I would take a screenshot of my Venn diagram. Once I've uploaded my image and I've made sure to include a title, I will have a couple options up at the top right-hand corner. If I'm not quite done and I still need to add more to my post, I can push draft, and this will save your blog post for another time that you can come back and finish. If I'd like to publish my blog post for the rest of my class to see, I simply push publish in the top right-hand corner of my screen. You'll want to select classmates so that your classmates can see the post that you publish. It will now show me my completed post in the comment box that it is available. I'm now going to take you back to our home page to show you what you do when you're in charge of giving your partner feedback. So here's a previous example post that I have already made. If this was my partner's post, I would simply click on their post as I did before and scroll down to the comment box. This is where you need to type your assigned feedback that are on your checklists and rubrics on a week-to-week basis. Each week, you will need to include 2 compliments and 2 things that you would do differently on your assignment. I want you to use polite words and give encouraging feedback so that it helps your partner learn from the feedback that you're giving them so that they can see and hear different ways to do one assignment. And that's all there is to it, to our Kids blog text structure posting. Each week you will have to do this 1 time. Each person will post 1 of their assignments each week, and then following your post, you must find your partner's assignment post and give them their feedback. Once these 2 things have been completed, you will need to bring your signature sheet to myself and have me sign off that you have both uploaded your assignment and given your partner feedback.